Hi Bloomers, welcome to Vocabloom. Today we're learning how to ask simple yes or no questions using the be verbs am, is, and are. Let's go. A yes or no question is a question that only needs a yes or no answer, not open-ended. For example, is she happy? Yes, she is. Are they ready? No, they aren't. We use be verbs to talk about people, places, and things. Use am for I. For example, I am ready. Here, I is the subject and be verb is am. Use is for he, she, it. For example, she is happy. Here, she is the subject and be verb is. Use are for you, we, they. For example, they are students. Here, they is the subject and be verb is are. Here's a chart. I am ready. She is happy. They are students. To ask a question, flip the sentence. Put the be verb first. Statement, she is happy. Question, is she happy? Statement, I am late. Question, am I late? Statement, they are ready. Question, are they ready? Here are quick tips to help you remember. Start your question with am, is, or are. Use am with I. Use is with he, she, it. Use are with you, we, they. Flip the sentence order. Be verbs. Help us describe important things in English. Describes condition. Example, I am tired. Describes identity. Example, she is a teacher. Describes location. Example, we are in class. Describes questions. Example, are you ready? Let's practice. Say each question out loud after me. Statement, he is sad. Question, is he sad? Statement, you are early. Question, are you early? Statement, I am excited. Question, am I excited? You did amazing, Bloomers. You now know how to ask yes or no questions using am, is, and are. Try writing 3 questions in the comments using be verbs. And be sure to subscribe at Vocabloom Hub for weekly grammar drops and let your learning bloom. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and join us for more videos.